Alright, this is an experiment, but I just got home and this was here. The December 2021, or 2022 anyway. Sorry about that. Grim Workshops thing. And of course this wouldn't cut all the way. Cuts out the way. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Thanks to have a little kind of a thing I can set up. Jeez. Let's see what's in here. By the way, yeah. Wow. Like this one. Oh, nice. What's this? Oh, wow. Got a future. Nice. Oh, jeez. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. That's cool. Oh my God, that's cute. Oh God, that's cute. Yeah, let's see what the first thing I have. As you see. Okay, the first thing is a holiday ornament, which I'm assuming is this. Right here. And it is of the Bushcraft card that I carry. That's cool. I like that. I really like that. That's really cool. Oh, that's cool too. Yeah. Okay. The net, and by the way, that cost looks like $9.99. But that, oh my God, that is so cool. Looks like I take it off too. That's nice. I love that. I love that. I do. Next is the Past Hot Shot Micro Tool. Oh my God. I was looking for this. I was wanting this too. I was literally wanting this. Okay. I was literally wanting this. I literally was. It's a ferro rod. It's pretty cool. That retailed for $7.99, I believe. Oh my God, yeah. I don't know what to say. That's what I wanted. Oh my God. Next is the present hand cat. I was gonna buy this too. Oh my God. I was going to buy this too. Holy crap. This retails for $19.95. So pretty much I got this and got the rest of it for free. Oh my God. Yes, I got me a caster. Yes. This is going with my fishing kit that I have. Yay. Oh boy, that's so cool. Next, the future card pouches. Huh? Looks like first aid. No, I'm gonna have to open this up. Unless it tells me what it is. Oh. Let me see. Oh God. The thing's... Well. Let's see what it is. Wait, did I get the... Then... Oh, the cards went here. Wow. Weird. Anyway. Let's just... You know what? Let's just open it. Let's just open this. Let's just open this, shall we? Because, you know what? Why not? The caster is definitely going into my cards. Okay, the first one is the first aid card, which means it's probably like... Oh, how do I open this? How do I open you? How do I open you? By the way, when you say future, that means it's not out yet. I'm trying to open this too. If I like what's in the first aid card, which I'm going to peek at. And by the way, it's whatever. Okay, in this set... Oh, wow. Holy crap. There's 4 of these. First aid card. Repair card. Nice. Trapping card. That's nice. And... card storage. That's nice. That's really nice. Actually. That's super duper nice. So yeah, that's really nice. I like that. And then, last two things are the regular cord things. The fishing one, and is that it? Okay, did I not get another tip cord? What? Where'd the tip cord go? What? Did the tip cord fall? I don't know. Unless it's like, I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, one tip cord I got is this: fishing, how to fish without a pole. That's going in my kit too. And fishing, pole, bottle, blah, blah, blah. Oh, wait, here it is. Yay. And the second one, by the way, they both retail for $185. This is Getting Large Game. I'm giving that to someone who could use it. So, yeah. Overall, definitely happy. Definitely happy with this. This is so friggin'... This is so heckin' cool, boy. Ooh. I must say. Plus, look, they give you a holiday card, a holiday sticker. This has been my favorite of so far, and literally, I'm happy with it. Very, very happy with it. Anyway, I just want to try this, so you can see. Oh, hey, here's the product. Because someone was complaining about this. I can't think of which one it was. Like, lay it all out. How about I just do this? That'd be cool because I have a thing for my vehicle. So anyway, I must say, A1 this month too. Anyway, let's see if I can. Yeah, I could easily do that. Okay, let's see if this was. Oh yeah, no. Anyway, y'all, I'm happy with this month's subscription for Grim Workshops, definitely. Anyway, peace, y'all. Like, subscribe, do all that cool stuff. Peace.